Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so look, the bears let go of the rope, so to speak. Monday we were dealing with 42.24 to 42.38, battling over that. When they lost that area, they have very steadily marched them up from there. So you can see the 9-day, the 20-day, the 50-day held. Hourly chart shows it a little better. So here's Monday. They can't get through 24, the pre-FOMC price. You had the 50 down there, monthly pivot 38. Bounced around for a few hours and they lost it, but then it's been higher lows. Spent a little time dealing with the daily mid-band yesterday, pre-market. Tested it early on, about 8 a.m. Eastern yesterday, 1675. It held through the 9 o'clock hour. When it makes this higher high, it was a nice little long for us initially. Then they chop it around. And you know what? After going from 42.24 to 43.39, the bulls have every right to, kind of take a couple of breaths on top of the summit before, going and, climbing up the next part of the mountain, right? So they hung out here for the vast majority of the day. That got a little bit choppy, but it was never a short. We ended up in the afternoon long 39.5, and we're still long 39.5 with profits taken. We'll see what this wants to do off the open, but you can see they climbed it up into the close. It's been pretty flat through Globex. 43.68, 43.77, and the all-time high up at 84.5 are the next three key areas on my stuff up above here. What the bulls want to do is go ahead and win this open, make a higher high versus a Globex high, try to get up into that 68 area and see what they can do with the day. The bears really need to come back in, convert 39, get back through the daily mid-band at 21.5, or what is it? Nah, not quite 21.5. It is sitting at 22. Try to close below that today. That's really all they've got going for them. If they don't assert themselves, then it might be slow, steady, drip, 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 but the drip, 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 drip will be to the upside. And so you can either be long or you can get the hell out of the way. I mean, that's pretty much what you're left with, because this has been a tape since Monday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon where you can be short for very limited periods of time, but those shorts tend to go bad pretty fast, and you end up making higher highs. And then what you end up doing is just you're fighting price, and you're missing opportunity after opportunity after opportunity to be long with the trend. And we have certainly been trend up this week since Monday afternoon, and then you just end up on the wrong side of things. And the second part of that, typically, especially for newer traders, is by the time you're ready to get in there and get long and all right, I'm not going to do this to myself anymore, that's probably about the time you pull back. And then you're fighting price in the other direction. Happens all the time. Not with us, and we'll teach you how to avoid that stuff, among other things. But this is the kind of tape where you can get yourself into some big trouble fighting price, saying, look, we should be doing this and we should be doing that. The price doesn't care what you, me, or anybody thinks we should be doing. Price is doing what it is doing, and it's your job and my job as a trader to adapt to that, take advantage of it, and make handles, bottom line. So hourly mid-band, 53.5, VWAP, 54.5, proprietary moving average, 55.5. So if we test that stuff from underneath, and I think we will off the open, how it reacts, can it get up over the top, can it break up above 62 and reach for 68 is going to be key. There's always a possibility that we could do a lot of chopping, especially on a day like today after we've come as far as we have, as quickly as we have. That is not an invitation to short. Newer traders think it is. What it is an invitation to get chopped around, get bored, and overtrade, and burn a lot of commission. Don't do that either. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. Get in the room. Learn how to do this stuff. We will teach you how to do it right. Be well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.